Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good today. So if you are new on my channel, please do subscribe and like, share my videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon. So today I am going to give you a lesson on how to make a mini crochet heart. It's so small and cute. So for that mini heart, we will use a medium size and hook size is 3.5 mm. Now we have to make chain first, that is chain 4, and we will make a slip stitch in very first chain to make a circle. Now we have to make 3 chains, count as 1 double crochet here. Now 4 double crochet in the circle. We will make 4 double crochet in the circle. Now time to make 2 half double crochet in the circle. Two half double crochet in the circle. If you want to learn these basic stitches that are double crochet, triple crochet, half double crochet, so visit my channel, there are tutorials on that. Now chain 1 double crochet. So this is our half heart completed. Now chain 1 half double crochet, second double crochet, half double crochet. We will make 2 half double crochets here. Now time to make 4 double crochet. Now we will make 3 chains, count as last double crochet, and we'll make slip stitch or single crochet at the end in the circle. We will cut the extra thread here and lock it up on the back side. So here is our mini crochet heart. If you like my video, please do subscribe and share my videos. Please visit my channel for more. There are many tutorials on basic stitches and basic patterns. I hope you will like my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get my latest videos. This is very beautiful and mini crochet flower, so must try it. Thank you.